and it quarter turns on. That's it. Remove it, same thing. Quarter turn, and it pops out. That's the horn button. All right, so if I remember right, when I was driving this truck, from my vantage point behind the steering wheel here, the bump in the hood and this lined up, going straight down the road. So this is straight. So when I put the new steering wheel on, I should be able to orient it straight and it'll drive straight. That's my theory anyway. We'll see if that works. So first thing I'm going to do is find the nut. That's too big. That's closer. What is that? 15/16. I think that's the one I used. Because I don't think. Yep, nope. So 15/16.